Welcome to our channel Agriculture and Technology. In this video, we are going to see the preparation and advantages of organic compost. What is compost? Well, compost is a manure derived or produced from a decomposed plant residues usually made by fermenting waste plant materials put in a pit, usually in alternate layers, with a view to bring the plant nutrients in a more readily available form. Supercompost. Compost fortified with superphosphate is called as supercompost. Starters are the materials added to the composting organic wastes, which provide the decomposing organism. Pig dung slurry is a valuable starter and provides necessary organisms. Even cow dung slurry can be used as starter. Generally, ammonium sulfate and superphosphate are added to the layers at the time of furrowing the composting heap to enrich nitrogen and phosphorus status of compost respectively. Fertilizers accelerate and hasten the decomposition of organic matter or wastes. What is organic compost? Organic compost includes plant and animal byproducts such as oil cakes, fish manures, and dried blood from slaughterhouses. Before their organic nitrogen used by the crops, it is converted through bacterial action into readily usable ammoniacal nitrogen and nitrate nitrogen. These manures are therefore relatively slow-acting, but they supply available N for a longer period. Preparation of organic compost. The space is most important requirement for composting preparation. A shaded flat piece of land is most ideal for compost preparation. When selecting the site, space should include a sorting place and proximity to a water source need to be taken into the consideration. Labor requirement in organic compost preparation. After selection of site, the most important is a labor-intensive activity, and labor requirement need to be planned for, carefully taking into each step of compost preparation. It is necessary to consult with someone with good knowledge in compost preparation. Equipment requirement in organic compost preparation. Before starting any activity with organic composting, you should make sure the required equipment such as wheelbarrows, pangas, shovels, sieves and packaging materials are in place. Starting organic compost preparation. Sustained supply of green, wet, and dry waste types is very important. These two waste types could be composed of the materials listed below. 1. Green, wet, wastes, food remains including eggshells, bones, without meat or fat. Fruit and vegetable peelings. Freshly cut grass, tree leaves, weeds, etc. Tea leaves, coffee residues. These materials are considered as high quality because they contain high amounts of nitrogen. 1. 2. Dry wastes, dry grass, tree leaves, sawdust from timber workshops, straw, maize stalks, etc. Pit method in organic compost preparation. Generally, pit composting is very easy and similar as in a forest environment. For example, dead organisms keep piling one on top of the other, and over a period of time those underneath decompose and turn into humus. In this method, organic wastes are piled into a pit daily, and as time goes on those underneath decompose into compost. The method is suitable for use in institutions like hospitals, boarding schools, children's homes, etc., where daily production of organic waste is high. The process uses the following procedures. Identify a space of land and preferably under shade and dig a pit of 3.5 meters x 3.5 meters x 1 meter dimension. Layering the waste. All the organic waste should be evenly spread out in the pit. At the end of each day, cover your waste with a thin layer of soil and remember to moisten with water where necessary. This process should be continued on daily basis till the pit is full. The full pit should be covered with soil and be left to decompose. The decomposition period will vary between 6 months to 10 months as it is an anaerobic process. Ready. Compost could be removed for use in the garden. However, if the pit was of the size of a garden bed, it could be planted with crops directly. To ensure health and safety, the materials being decomposed in the pit need to be carefully sorted to exclude inorganic. Advantages: organic compost. Organic compost supply plant nutrients including micronutrients. Organic compost improve physical properties of the soil, water holding capacity, hydraulic conductivity, infiltration capacity of the soil. Organic compost supply energy, food, for microbes and increase availability of nutrients and improve soil fertility. Green manures can fix atmospheric nitrogen, leading to nitrogen economy in crop production, and green manures draw nutrients from lower layers and concentrate them in the surface soil for the use of succeeding crop. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.